Alright guys, I'm going to show you what I carry for tools, and I'm going to show you my air compressor and stuff. I need to air these tires back up. I'm going to show you what's going on. The thing I don't like about my setup right now is I have to take all my luggage off to get into the seat. So right now it's not going to be that big a deal because I just got these 4 straps here, but I want to eventually get a something that mounts to the outside, or maybe when I do travel I'll start carrying my tools on the outside so I don't have to do all this. You know, to access my tools, you know, I want a little bit easier access. But anyways, I got it all stuffed underneath here, and I've heard of some of you guys on the forums or the Facebook thing or whatever, you guys are taking a Dremel and dribbling out these little dividers in here, and so as you can see, here's my compressor right now. There's these dividers and stuff in here, and you can actually Dremel those out and get a little more room in here. So let's get this thing going. I'm actually going to run the battery, or run it when I go. So pick this up on Amazon. I forget, I'll put the link down below. It's compact, it fits in here along with my tools and my patch kit, which we're going to look at right now. So yeah, let's get some air in our tires. Oops. I want the plug-in so I can so I can plug into the charging cable I have in here, but anyways, and the gauge is pretty accurate. Oh, it's airing up fast. I'm not even gonna start it. Yeah, the gauge is like maybe 1 or 2 pounds high, so I just go to like I like to run 30 pounds in front and rear almost all the time. If it gets really cold and I'm riding, you know, like really low 30s or whatever, if it's winter time, I'll drop down to like, you know, 27, maybe even 25. But I like to keep my pressure there, and I don't weigh that much, so I know some of you guys are bigger, you guys like to run a little more pressure in the back, but it's a nice compressor because it aired that tire up quick. Alright, there we go. So the back one's going to take a little longer. I got the bike a little dirty today. Alright, so we got the compressor. This came with the bike. I took it out of the bag and the Allen wrench, tossed to the side because I have more Allen wrenches in here. This is a helmet lock that you guys can put on here, or whatever, that I'll never probably use, but I figured it's a nice little cable. I might need it for something. So that kind of gets tucked in here. And we'll put that back in a minute. So these are my my tools I carry, just the basics. These are BMW tools. Some of them are. So I got an 8, a 10, a 12, and a 13. I got Allen wrenches here. I got a socket driver, and this is a 6mm here, and then a screwdriver that pops in and out. This is a BMW product too. I used to be into Beamers like big time, so I'm gonna get another one here. I keep saying that soon, but I'm gonna probably get another Z3. And I keep a little extension with the 8mm, and then I have a 10mm in here too. And that's a good basic kit. Now, oh, and then this 14 right here. The thing is with the 14, you need 2 14s to do your mirrors. So I have a pair of pliers actually that I've been carrying in my backpack, and I'm gonna put a small crescent wrench into my mix here to mess with the mirrors in case that ever gives me any problems. Now in this bag here, this is my repair kit. So it didn't really come with a bag or anything. So I got the plugs, I got extra valve stems, plugs, and all the stuff to do the plugs, and the glue and everything in there. So in case I have a flat, I can plug my tire, air it up. And yeah, that's just my basic necessities for going out in the world. And if you guys don't carry this stuff, you should probably think about carrying it. Because if you ride long enough, you're going to have a flat tire. It's going to happen. So it's happened to me. It's in it. My buddies, I was out riding with my buddies before, and they had a flat tire. We plugged it on the side of the road and everything. So, but yeah, it fits kind of tight in here. I might take a Dremel and get these things knocked out so I can have a little more room in here. But yeah, well, that's it. So there you go. The seat's always a little fun to get on. Gotten better at it though. When I bought this bike, we were at the dealership, and we popped the seat off because we were looking at some stuff. We had to do like a walkthrough, you know, before he handed me the keys. And we couldn't get the seat back on. It was funny, and he's like, oh no, the salesman was tripping out because he's like, oh no, I was like, he thought something might be wrong or something with it. And I was like, no. I was like, all the research I've done on this bike, I've read that it's a little funky to get on your first couple times, but once you get the hang of it, it's not that bad. And we almost started Googling it, how to put it back on, but we managed to get it back on without using the intraweb. So you guys can see how I'm doing this right here. These compression straps right here just go to the side, and it's working out good. So it's time to go home and edit some videos for you guys and relax and try not to think about my work quitting. Yeah, it's really annoying me because yeah, it's just fucked up, put it that way. So got the bike dirty though, so that's cool. She's looking good. In fact, we're gonna take a picture. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. You know the routine, guys. If you're still with me and you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, because you guys are liking my content if you're still watching and you're not subscribed, right? Because you're still watching. It's like a no-brainer. Anyways guys, until next time, Oregon motorcycle.